In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TurboTax from installturbotax.com. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to installturbotax.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official site so you can download the correct version safely and avoid any unnecessary issues during installation. From there, sign in to your Intuit account. This is the account associated with your TurboTax purchase, and logging in helps connect your software to your account details. If you're using a personal computer, this step should be quick and straightforward. Just enter your sign-in information carefully and continue to the next screen. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. After you're logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your 16-character license code. This code is important because it verifies your copy of TurboTax and unlocks the download. Make sure you type the code exactly as it appears, paying close attention to letters and numbers so there are no mistakes. If you copied the code from your purchase confirmation or packaging, double check it before moving forward. Even one incorrect character can prevent the system from recognizing it. Once the license code has been accepted, you'll see the option to choose your operating system. Select either Windows or Mac, depending on the computer you're using. This part matters because downloading the wrong version can lead to compatibility issues, so be sure to pick the one that matches your device. After selecting the correct option, click Download. The file should begin downloading to your computer right away. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the download at the top right in Chrome or in your default downloads folder. If the download doesn't seem to start immediately, give it a moment and check for any browser prompts that may require confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the TurboTax download page, signed into your Intuit account, entered your license code, selected the right version for your computer, and started the download. As a final tip, keep your license code in a safe place in case you need it again later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get TurboTax downloaded quickly and smoothly.